There's Laurence Olivier, Meryl Streep, Marlon Brando, and then there's Devin. Devin is one of the greatest actors I've ever worked with.
Devin is so thoughtful and charming, and he truly commits to the moment, and that is so rare.
You know, I mean, everyone's always like, Devin this and Devin that. Well, let me tell you, Devin is insufferable.
Devin plays a space goat, which sounds crazy. Thor riding through space on a boat led by goats.
He's unprofessional. He eats all the props.
I keep trying to explain to Chris that Devin's not out to get him. I mean, look at him. He's brilliant. He is so dedicated to the craft and snacks. Okay, great, Devin.
Do we really think having space goats will make our film that much better anyway? All right, fine. But I'm not doing any press with him.
Love and Thunder promo, take one.
See what I'm talking about? This is like, hey, buddy, camera's over here. Come on. It's ridiculous.